Let's do a Tahitian conditioning practice. Let's begin by bending down, side to side tamau. Arms out. Arms center, lift up your heel. Other side. Come to center, legs together, wide circle to mommy. Other side. Baru. Heel up. Other heel. Take your legs, deep breath. And flat up. Arms out. Once more, center. Arms out. And deep breath. Shake those legs.